Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? I'm very happy to be with you in this session where we are going to discuss about three elements which is very important in spoken English. Of course, remember we are in English grammar in use. Those elements, the first one is can, second is could, third is be able to. My friend, are you able to differentiate the use of them? If you are not able, my friend, I call upon everybody to come and sit so as we can have the common understanding about the use of can, could, and be able to. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you so much. We use can to say that something is possible or that somebody has the ability to do something. We use can plus infinitive without to. My friend, we use can when we say that something is possible to be done. Or we use can to say that somebody has the ability to do something. When we use can is followed by the infinitive without to. Let's see the example here. We can see the lake from our bedroom window, meaning that we have the ability to see the lake through our bedroom window. Example 2. Can you speak any foreign languages? The speaker wants to know if you are able to speak any foreign languages. Example 3. I can come and see you tomorrow if you like. I have the ability to come to see you tomorrow if you like. I have that ability. I have a potential health to come to see you tomorrow if you like. The negative of can is can't or cannot. Here we have example. I'm afraid I can't come to the party on Friday. I think that, my friend, you see the negative of can is can't. Let's see the use of be able to. Be able to is possible instead of can, but can is more usual. This means that where we can use can, we can also use be able to. But can is more used or is more often used in our daily spoken language. Let's see an example. Are you able to speak any foreign languages? Do you have the ability to speak any foreign languages? You can say also, can you speak any foreign languages? The meaning of can is much as the same the meaning of be able to, because both of them, they show that something is possible to be done or somebody have the ability to do something. But can has only two forms. Form 1, can, we use can for present simple or present simple, and could for past. So sometimes it is necessary to use be able to. We know that be able to is possible instead of can, even if can is more often used more than be able to. Let's compare these examples. I can't sleep, but I haven't been able to sleep recently. I can't sleep, but I haven't been able to sleep recently. Can has no present perfect. I can't sleep. And I haven't been able to sleep recently. I haven't been able to sleep recently is present perfect of be able to. But can't has no present perfect. Another example, Tom can come tomorrow. Tom has the ability to come to see you tomorrow. But another example, Tom might be able to come tomorrow. Tom too have the ability to come to see you tomorrow. Let's see the use of could and was be able. Let's see the use of could and be able. And was be able to. The use of could and was be able to. Sometimes could is the past of can. Sometimes could is the past of can. We know that. We use could especially with the following verbs. 1. See. 2nd. Hear. 3rd. Smell. 4th. Taste. 5th. Feel. 6th. Remember. And 7th. Understand. Could goes hand in hand with these verbs. Let's see an example. When we went into the house, we could smell burning. When we went into the house, we could smell burning. We have could and smell. They go hand in hand in the sentence. In order to have the nice use. Second sentence, she spoke in a very low voice, but I could understand what she said. She spoke in a very low voice, but I could understand what she said. We have could there, we have smell. And you have could there, we have understand. Could, we use could with those verbs. We also use could to say that somebody had the general ability or permission to do something. We use also could to say that somebody had the general ability, or permission to do something. Example, my grandfather could speak 5 languages. This sentence means that my grandfather had the ability to do something or had the permission to do something. But here, because we say that my grandfather could speak 5 languages, means that my grandfather had a general ability of speaking those 5 languages. Example 2. We were completely free. We could do what we wanted. In that time, in the past, we were completely free. Nothing we had in that time to do. That's why we could do whatever we wanted to do. We also use could for general ability. We use could for general ability. My grandfather could speak 6 foreign languages. My grandfather had that ability. But if we are talking about what happened in a particular situation, we use was or were able to or managed to, not could. Instead of using could when we talk about what happened in a particular situation, my friend, use was or were able to or managed to, not could. Here we have example. The fire spread through the building quickly, but everybody was able to or managed to escape, not could, because we are talking about what happened in a particular situation. Because here, the fire spread through the building. This is a particular situation. We cannot use could when we talk about what happened in a particular situation. Instead of using could, we use was or were able to or managed to. Thank you. Example 2. They didn't want to come with us at first, but we managed to persuade them. When we were together, we tried our best to persuade them to come with us. But they didn't want to come with us. But in that time, when we were together, we tried our best to manage them or to manage to persuade them to come with us. The negative of could is couldn't or could not. Couldn't and could not is possible in all situation. Example here. My grandfather couldn't swim. My grandfather wasn't able to swim. My grandfather didn't have the ability to swim. Example 2. We tried hard, but we couldn't persuade them to come with us. We tried our best to make sure that they can come with us, but they couldn't come with us. Alpha played well, but he couldn't beat Jack. Alpha played well, but he couldn't beat Jack. We have been discussing here the use of couldn't or could not, because couldn't and could not is possible in all forms. We have been discussing the use of can, could, and be able in our daily spoken language. Thank you for watching this video. We shall meet again when God wishes. Let's call it a day here. Subscribe if you are interested in this channel. Thank you so much.